everyone! Welcome back to the Mr. English Flow channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm Emily.
And, phew, I finally got here. Hello, everyone. I am Henry. Sorry I am a mess. I just came from the gym.
Henry, you look exhausted. You got here? That is a great way to start. Did you have a hard time arriving?
Yes, the traffic was terrible. I thought I would never get to the studio. But here I am, alive.
I am glad you made it. And honestly, Henry, you just used our magic word for today perfectly.
Did I? What word? Mess?
No, the word get.
Oh no, not get. I have a love-hate relationship with this word. It is everywhere. Americans use it for everything. Get up, get out, get lost, get real. Why?
Because we love efficiency. Get is the chameleon of English verbs. It changes its meaning depending on the situation. If you master this one word, you can replace 50 other difficult verbs.
That sounds like a good deal. If I learn one word, I sound smarter?
Exactly. Today, we are going to do a deep dive into the word get. We will look at its 5 main meanings, some crazy phrasal verbs, and how to use it to sound 100% American.
Okay, I am ready to get schooled. Teach me, Emily.
Let's start with the most common meaning. Meaning number 1, to receive, buy, or fetch. Basically, to have something you didn't have before.
Okay, can you give me a real-life example?
Sure. Look at your new shoes. Where did you buy them?
I bought them at the mall yesterday.
That is grammatically correct. But a native speaker would say, I got them at the mall.
So, get equals buy?
Yes. I need to get some milk. Where did you get that jacket?
Okay, that is easy. What about receive?
Imagine it is your birthday. You don't buy presents, you receive them. So you say, I got a lot of gifts.
Ah, or emails? I got your email.
Exactly. Did you get my text message?
Yes, I got it. But I didn't reply because I was lazy.
Honest, at least. And finally, it means to fetch, go and bring something. Henry, can you get me a tissue, please?
Here you go. I got it for you.
See, you didn't buy it, you didn't receive it, you went and fetched it. So, buy, receive, fetch.
I like this. It is lazy English. One word for everything.
Now, let's talk about movement. Remember when you arrived today? You said, I finally got here.
Yes, I meant I arrived.
In American English, arrive sounds a bit formal or robotic, like a GPS. You have arrived. Real people say, when will you get there?
So, get equals arrive. I got to work late. What time did you get to the party?
Exactly. But Henry, there is a very important grammar rule here, the to rule. Usually we say get to place.
Get to the office. Get to the bank. Get to school.
Perfect. But there is one exception. Do you know what it is?
Is it home?
Yes, we never use to with home. I got home. I got to home.
Why? English is so weird.
It is just the rule. Home is special. So, Henry, what time do you usually get home in the evening?
I usually get home around 7 p.m., unless I stop to get pizza.
See, you used meaning number 2 and meaning number 1 in the same sentence.
I am getting good at this.
You just used the third meaning. You said, I am getting good. Meaning number 3 is to become, a change of state.
To become? Like changing from one thing to another?
Yes, use get plus adjective. Think about the weather. It was sunny, but now clouds are coming. It is getting cloudy.
It is becoming cloudy.
Exactly. Henry, if you don't drink water after the gym, what happens?
I get thirsty.
See? You weren't thirsty before, but now you are. The state changed. I am getting tired. She is getting angry. We are getting old.
Hey, speak for yourself. I am young.
We are all getting older every second, Henry. This is also how we talk about sickness. I got sick. I got better.
This is actually very useful. Instead of I became bored, I say I got bored.
Much more natural. The movie was long, so I got bored. This next one is pure casual English. Imagine I explain a difficult grammar rule to you. And finally, the light bulb turns on in your head.
I say, I understand.
You can say that, but it's cooler to say, I get it.
I get it.
Yes. Do you get the joke? I don't get why she is crying.
So if I am confused, I say, I don't get it.
Exactly. And if you want to confirm someone understands you, you ask, got it?
And I answer, got it.
Perfect interaction. Now, this is a bit advanced, but very common. We use get to replace the verb to be in passive sentences, usually when something happens to us.
Give me an example.
Formal. My car was stolen. Casual. My car got stolen.
I hear that a lot. He got fired.
Yes, he got fired is much more common than he was fired. It makes the story sound more dramatic or personal. I got paid today. I got stuck in traffic.
I got attacked by a mosquito.
Exactly. You are the victim of the mosquito.
Okay, Emily, I understand the main meanings, but what about when you add up or out? The phrasal verbs, they are a nightmare.
Let's keep it simple. Here are the top 5 essential get phrasal verbs for Americans. 1. Get up. This one is easy.
It means to leave the bed. I get up at 7 a.m.
2. Get along with. Do you get along with your neighbors?
Get along. That means to have a good relationship?
Yes, to be friendly.
I get along with my neighbors, but their dog barks all night, so I don't get along with the dog.
3. Get over. Imagine you had a bad cold or a breakup. You need to recover.
It took me a week to get over the flu.
Perfect. It means to stop feeling bad about something. 4. Get by. This is about survival, usually with money. I don't have a lot of money, but I get by.
It means I survive? I have just enough?
Yes. My Spanish is bad, but I can get by.
5. Get rid of. Oh, I know this. To throw something away.
Yes. I need to get rid of these old clothes.
I need to get rid of my stress.
Good example. Okay, Henry, are you ready for the final test? We are going to get into a conversation about a disaster holiday. Try to get in as much as possible.
I am ready. I love disaster stories.
So, Henry, I heard you went to Florida. How was it?
Oh, Emily, don't ask. It was terrible. First, we got to the airport late, so we almost missed the flight.
Oh, no. Did you get on the plane?
Yes, we got on. But then I got sick. I think I got food poisoning from the airport sushi.
That is awful. Did you get better quickly?
No, it took 2 days to get over it. And because I was sick, my wife got angry at me. We didn't get along for the whole trip.
Yikes. Did you at least get some sunshine?
A little. But then it started getting cloudy and we got caught in a storm. We were completely wet.
Wow. It sounds like you couldn't get away from bad luck.
Exactly. I was so happy when we finally got home.
Well, I get why you are stressed now.
Yes. Next time, I am just staying home to get some rest.
Brilliant. Henry, that story was sad, but your English was perfect.
Thank you. Using get really makes it easier to tell a story. It connects everything.
It really does. So let's quickly recap the 5 powers of get. 1. Obtain or buy. I got a coffee. 2. Arrive. I got home. 3. Become. I got tired. 4. Understand. I get it. 5. Passive or happen. I got paid.
If you practice these, you will sound like a native speaker in no time.
Now, hey guys, we have a very important question for you. We want to see if you really understood the lesson.
Yes, show us your skills.
Make a sentence using get to describe how you are feeling right now. For example, are you getting hungry? Are you getting tired? Did you get a new idea?
I am definitely getting hungry. I need to go get a sandwich.
Please write your sentences in the comments below. We read every single one.
And if you want to get fluent in English, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Mr. English Flow channel.
It helps us a lot. Thanks for watching.
Go out there and get practicing. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.